While it's impossible to lose fat in specific areas of your body, you can get a flatter stomach by losing weight overall and doing core exercises that tone your stomach. Cutting 500 to 1,000 calories per day can help you lose weight at a safe pace. Avoid making drastic cuts to how many calories you're eating every day, since eating too few calories can decrease your metabolic rate, actually making it harder to lose weight. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats, and try to limit salty and sugary processed foods, which tend to be high in calories and low in nutritional value. Crunches, planks, flutter kicks, and dead bugs are just a few exercises that are great for toning your stomach. Try to get in an ab workout at least 2 times a week. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise, gradually increasing how many reps you're doing each workout.